Okay, y'all, we're gonna check a pig bait. You see what this is right here? Let me tell you what this is. This right here is plated number 4 buckshot. 1,340 feet per second coming out of that 12 gauge. That's for killing pigs, y'all. I bust a pig up. That's why I shoot it. Right here I got my M60, what I call it. That's a turkinelli. That's what I call it. That's a turkinelli. It's a 12 gauge. Benelli patent. It's worn out and they building them now. This is the A2. They had an A1. It sucked. The A2 ain't too bad. I've run the shit out of it. I ain't got no problem with it. As long as I'm running high brass. You don't want to shoot doves with it. I had choke on low brass, but that's all I wanted for, shooting pigs. Something that'll roll. Because pigs, I hate pigs. I hate pigs and cat squirrels. I don't hate deer like I used to. Now I hate brim and chinkapin, but I don't hate deer like I used to. But I need to hydrate here. I got a beer or two left up in here, and they still cold. Won't y'all see this little igloo I got right here? I got this on deal on Amazing Zone, $35, 25 quart. Superior ice retention. It does well for what I paid for it. Hell of a lot cheaper than a damn Yeti. They crazy. Them people's got visions of grandeur or something. I'm not paying that. That's what we used to call back in the day yuppie. Yuppie crap. Overpriced and overrated. Anyway, that's just one old hand's opinion. I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings here or nothing, but that's just how it is out here today in what's left of the wilderness. Thank y'all for watching. To be continued. We're going to take a little walk here in just a minute. Old Taka from the woods.